Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna make a cylinder head gasket. This part over here. So, let's take a picture. Open it up. Shrink it out so we can have an easy access to it when we go out of the sketch. Now let's start the sketch on the top plane. Sketch. Here we go. And now we will go ahead and modify it. So first of all, we will select this rectangle, which we will place right here, and its sides will be fixed at 45 and the 50. Now, regarding the x-axis, it will be symmetric, and now we will input the circle with the inner diameter of 32 based on this engineering drawing. Unfortunately, the other one lacks this detail. So we go ahead and put it in as 32. And we will have 4 other little circles at 7 millimeters in diameter each. So let's make them equal to one another. This one equal to this one, equal to this one, and equal to this one. And their size will be 7. And now we will do a little trick with the construction line. So basically I will draw out a construction line from the origin to the each of the circles. And I will set the angle between the line and an axis at 45 for both on the same side. And after that I will utilize the symmetric tool to make sure that they are symmetric around the y-axis. Great. Now we can see that we have this part here, which is basically half of the circle that is connected to the main circle by 2 lines. Now let's make sure that both of those lines are horizontal and the tangent to this one. Good. Now we can see that the radius should be 2. Right, here the diameter is 4. And that the distance from the origin to the center of this half circle is 24. While the distance from the origin to this point is 22. Great. Now those circles outside must be on same distance away from the center. So let's draw this circle. And what we will do, we will go ahead and place those points on that circle, which circle must be a constructive circle, so it doesn't actually affect the sketch when we extrude it. Here we go, and now we need to set its radius, or in our case diameter, to 46. Great, we had got our gasket part, for the exception of those angles must be curved using the sketch tool, which is already at 4 millimeters, which is great. You just click OK, and it allows us to easily round up those sharp edges. Here we go. We have our part. Click OK. And now we can extrude it by 1 millimeter as it was shown in the original document. And here we go, it's our cylinder head gasket. Thank you and have a great day.